So if you guys are trying to create a watch list and you still don't know where to go to find stock tickers or stocks that might be going up, down, whatever, sideways, come over to stockcharts.com, go under charts and tools. Then you're going to scroll down under the reports and more tab. You're going to find predefined scans. You're going to click on see latest results. So at the top here we have the bullish indicators. Here we have the bearish indicators. And a lot of people, we like to sort off of the bullish MACD crossovers, and then we'll click under the New York Stock Exchange. Then we can see under here we have 7 ticker symbols to choose from. So let's say I wanted to see the chart for IBN. I'd click here, it'd open up a new tab, show it to me like this. If you guys are using the free version of stockcharts.com, I suggest setting it up with these overlays. I use the money flow trading system, so I do use these indicators, and then I would just type in IBN. It'd pull up its chart. I can see that it's kind of building out a stage 1 here, where we have the stock starting to form a box trading sideways. Then we have this MACD crossing over, obviously. That's why it showed up in the indicators tab. And the RSI is starting to head upwards. So once the price of the stock moves across that, it got 6 cents more before it crosses over the 20-day moving average and enters a stage 2 breakout. So this is a chart that we can, or a stock that we could probably go with, because every single time that we have came and crossed over that 20-day moving average, you see we just rip higher, and when we cross back over, that is our exit. Can't see it back in here, but we cross down over here, cross back up over here. Our exits are hot RSI, a box that forms at the top to create the stage 3, or when we come back down over that 20-day. And the stop losses you obviously would set below where the previous low was. It's also important to note that I don't have it on here, but if we put the ATR, the average true range, that shows us the amount of, I guess it would be dollars or cents that a stock moves a day. So if this stock moves 34 cents a day, we could probably get away with swing trading this once it breaks out and setting our stop loss around right here. It gives us room for this to build out more going sideways, or even if you have a stronger belief that this stock is going to come back up to this 23 range, that you could set this stop loss below here. This is kind of like, we look at this as kind of like a stop hunt. So they try and slam the stock price down, stop people out so they can buy up shares cheaper. The institutions is who I'm talking about when I reference they. But yeah, this is not financial advice. I'm not taking this trade, but it's just to show you guys where you can find. It's just one source to find stocks. We can also head over to FinViz, and you can use the screener tab here. Let's click on all, and then we can go through all of these. So if we wanted to go RSI, we could go, let's go oversold 40, crossed above the 20-day, because we use that in the money flow. And then right here, we'll go under charts, and we can see the charts and the setups for these kind of indicators, or the screener filter settings. So obviously you want to go in, play around, and look at everything else, get used to it, and then you can head over here to our maps, and we can also see the top companies in each sector, how they're performing pre-market, post-market. You get the idea. So right here, NVDA got upgraded, I think, to, what was it? Actually, I forget, but NVIDIA ended up getting an upgrade, and here's the chart for it. So it's up $2 pre-market, and we can probably expect that to keep running Technology's looking strong. Communications, healthcare is looking pretty weak. But also, if you guys want to see the sectors rotating or what sectors on the come up or whatever, you got here the day, the week, month, 3 months, half year, on and on. So yeah, I hope you guys found some value in this video, and until next time, guys, take care.